Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve the Microsoft Teams error code 800-90016. Something went wrong. Your computer's trusted platform module has malfunctioned. If this error persists, contact your system administrator with the error code 800-90016, and then it gives you more information via a Microsoft link. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, how to resolve the issue. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the search menu and search for Control Panel. Best result should come back with Control Panel. Go ahead and open that up. Now you want to set your view by up in the top right to large icons and go and select Credential Manager. Select Windows Credentials, and if you see any credentials underneath Windows credentials that mention Microsoft Office, select the drop-down next to it and select Remove. It's going to ask, are you sure you want to permanently delete this Windows credential? Select Yes. And then once that is done, go ahead and close out of here. Open up the search menu and type in File Explorer, Options. Best match should come back with File Explorer Options. Go ahead and open that up. Select View, and then Show Hidden Files, Folders, and Drives, and then select Apply and OK. Open up the search menu again, or just select the File Explorer icon in your taskbar, and just search for File Explorer. Go ahead and open that up. And now that we're in here, we want to go and select this PC on the left panel. Double-click on your local disk where Windows is installed, so double-click on that. And now you want to locate the users folder, double click on it, double click on your user account name, and then double click on the app data folder, double click on local, and then there should be a packages folder in here, double click on it, and then you want to locate something in here that says Microsoft.aad.broker plugin, search package field up at the top, we just go ahead and search for it, probably going to be a little bit faster. So there you go, guys. There's this folder in here. You want to right click on it and select delete, or select the little trash bin icon to delete it. And once that's done, you will want to restart your computer. So it looks like it's already been deleted here. So if I just refresh the page, Control R, it should not be here anymore. So at this point, close out of here, and you want to restart your computer. I will set the File Explorer settings back to default in terms of the view. You want to probably make sure you do that just in case. So I'm going to select View and then Don't Show Hidden Files, Folders, and Drives. Apply and OK. And now I'm going to finally restart my computer at this point. And there you go, guys. Hopefully this pointer issue has been resolved. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.